Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. One of the problems I've came across in trying to spray scaled down lace patterns is finding the lace to use. I find lace in the stores and I get home and I do a spray out and it's just too big, it's not going to work. One of the answers to this problem I have found has been micro paper doilies. I ordered this set off Etsy a while back. Here's a couple of examples, and as you can see, they are very intricate, very small, and some have a lot of detail. Now with any lace painting, if you just lay the fabric, or in this case the doilies, over your panel and spray it out, it's going to be blurry, it's not going to be crisp, it's not going to be clean. You need to add some form of glue to get the backside tacky, almost like masking tape. To achieve this, there's different fabric sprays and glues people use. What I have found is working really well is the C's for doing gold or silver leafing. There's many different brands. This is just the stuff I already had. And how I'm using it is I'm diluting it about 50% with water and I'm spraying it through an old crappy airbrush. It does clean up with water, but I'm still using an old crappy airbrush. I am not using my good airbrush. I hope I've made that clear. I folded a piece of tape over on the back side of this doily to hold it down while I'm spraying, and I'm coating it in 1 to 2 real light coats. It doesn't take much, it just needs to be tacky enough to stick. I let that sprayed on glue set up for about 10 to 15 minutes before sticking down this doily. After that, I just line it up in the panel where I want it and I stick it down like a sticker. When spraying down the color over the lace doily, it's better to do 3 to 4 light coats and build up coverage than to try and get it in one and flood this out. If you flood it out, you risk bleed through. After the paint's set up, it peels off really nice and clean and leaves behind no glue residue. Whether you're painting a hot rod, a gasser, a lowrider, I've used these paper doilies for the lace pattern a few times now, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Well, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was inspiring enough to get you to play around with some lace painting. I have a few more how I do it videos coming up, and I'm just getting done with a really big project, so stay tuned and don't miss it. Until next time.